In this video, I'll guide you through how to print Google Tasks from your desktop using the standard web method. If you like keeping a physical copy of your to-do lists for planning, meetings, or just to have something on your desk, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Tasks in your web browser. The easiest way to do this is to go directly to task.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that actually holds the tasks you want to print. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner of the page to confirm you're in the right one. Otherwise, you might end up printing an empty list or the wrong tasks. Once Google Tasks is open, look toward the top of the page for the list selector. This is usually a drop-down menu that shows the current list name, such as My Tasks, or any custom list you've created. Click on that drop-down to see all your available task lists. Take a moment here to choose the specific list you want to print. Google only prints one list at a time, so if you need multiple lists on paper, you'll repeat this process for each one later. After you've selected the right list, you'll see its title displayed prominently near the top of the page. Next to that title, look for the three vertical dots icon, often called More Actions. This is where Google groups additional options that are not shown directly on the main interface. Move your cursor over to those three dots and click them. A small menu will pop up with several options related to managing your list. From that menu, choose the option labeled Print List. As soon as you click this, your browser will open a print preview window. This is a really helpful step because it lets you see exactly what your Google Tasks list will look like on paper before you commit to printing. Take a moment to scan through the preview and check that all the tasks you care about are visible and that you're working with the right list. Now you'll want to adjust your print settings. The exact layout of this screen can vary a bit depending on your browser and printer, but the core options are usually the same. Check that the correct printer is selected, especially if you have more than one installed or if you sometimes print to PDF. You can also choose the number of copies, switch between portrait and landscape orientation, and adjust things like paper size and margins. If the list looks too small or too large, you can tweak the scale setting so it fits the page more comfortably. If you prefer a digital file instead of a physical page, many browsers let you switch the destination to Save as PDF. That way, you can save your Google Tasks list as a document to share, archive, or keep on another device. Once everything looks right in the preview and your settings are adjusted the way you want, go ahead and click the print button. Your browser will send the job to your selected printer, and in a moment you should have a clean, formatted copy of your Google Tasks list in your hands. That's all there is to it. Open Google Tasks on the web, choose your list, use the More Actions menu to select Print List, review the preview, adjust settings, and print.